Hello Year 5, it's Mrs Bastable. I hope you're all looking after yourselves. I'm really looking forward to today's lessons, so let's get started. So let's take a look at today's target. Today you're going to be able to read and interpret information in tables. To know if you've met this, you'll be able to understand how tables can be used to show a range of information, to know how to read across and down tables accurately, and to be able to answer questions correctly by interpreting the data shown in tables. Let's warm up by having a go at the following questions. Question 1. Which number is not in the 4 times table? Question 2. Which number is in the 5 and the 7 times tables? Question 3. Fill in the missing numbers in this sequence. Something, 15, something, 21, 24. And number 4. Fill in the missing numbers in this sequence. 30, something, 20, something, 10. Question 5. What is the lowest common multiple of 5 and 8? Question 6. Which number is not a multiple of 9? 97, 81, 54 or 18? Question 7. Something times 8 equals 32. And question 8. 6 times 3 equals something subtract 8. Good luck! So the answer to question 1 is 14. 14 is not in the 4 times tables. A number, a common multiple that is in the 5 and the 7 times tables would be 70. The missing numbers. Well, between 21 and 24, there's a difference of 3. So if we go back, we have 18, 15, take away 3, and 12. And here, there's a difference of 10 between the two. So halfway must make it a difference of 5, and it's going down. So 30 take away 5 would be 25. 20 take away 5 would be 15. Well done. So to find the lowest common multiple, you need to know your 5 times tables and your 8 times tables. Which is the first number to appear in both? Well done. It's 40. Which of these numbers is not a multiple of 9? So it's not in the 9 times table. It would be 97. And what times 8 makes 32? Excellent. 4 times 8 makes 32. Okay, 6 times 3 equals something take away 8. What is 6 times 3? It's 18. So if we have 18 add 8, what do we get? Well done, 26. So 26 take away 8 is 18. And 6 times 3 is 18. Remember, the equal sign is a balance. How did you do? Did you get the same answers as I did? Well done. Now take a look at the following tables showing the favourite film types in Year 2 and in Year 5. We have number of children and the film types: action, cartoons, comedies and sci-fis. Have a think. How many more Year 5 pupils than Year 2 pupils preferred sci-fi? So to work this out, we need to look at how many children in Year 2 liked sci-fi, 3, and how many children in Year 5 liked sci-fi, 11. The question asks how many more, so we're finding the difference. So we could do 11 take away 3, and that should give us our answer. So how many more pupils in Year 5 than Year 2 preferred sci-fi? 8 pupils. Excellent work. Using the same tables, can you answer the following question? What is the most popular film type in both year groups combined? So for this question, we need to look at the most popular film in each year. So for Year 2, cartoons were the highest vote. So we'll look at the cartoons for both. But in Year 5, comedy came out higher. So we need to look at comedy for both. We don't have an answer yet because it said the most popular combined. So for cartoons, we need to look at 32, add 14. So how many in both year groups combined preferred cartoons? And there's 46. Let's do the same now for comedy. We need to do 18, add 23. And there's 41. So which has the biggest combined amount? Excellent, cartoons. So the most popular film type in both year groups combined is cartoons. Did you get that one right? It was a little bit trickier. Well done if you did. Again, using the same data in these tables, can you answer the following question? How many children are there in Year 2? So to find out how many children there are altogether in Year 2, we need to add 5, 32, 18 and 3. Well, I know that 32 and 18, there's a number bond with 8 and 2, so that would make 50. And 5 and 3 makes 8. So how many children are there altogether in Year 2? Excellent. There were 58 children. Now it's your turn. Using the following tables showing information about how children travel to school in Year 4 and Year 5, can you answer the following questions? What is the most common method of travel in both year groups? How many more children travel by car in Year 4 than in Year 5? And which year has the most children? Now look at this table showing the number of ice cream sold in a shop last week. The girl says The shop sold more ice creams in total on Saturday and Sunday than during the rest of the week. Do you agree with her? Can you explain your answer? And finally, in this tally chart, we have 5B's survey about the types of pets children have at home: dogs, cats, hamsters, rabbits and goldfish. Dora says there are 24 children in the class. Rosie says we do not know how many children are in the class. And Amir says there are more than 24 children in the class. Only one of these is correct. Can you explain who you think is right? So, looking at how Year 4 and Year 5 children travel to school, which is the most common method in both year groups? Well, in Year 4, the biggest number is in walking, and in Year 5, the biggest number is also walking. So the most common method must be to walk. How many more children travel by car in Year 4? So in Year 4, 10 children travel by car, and in Year 5 there are 7. So how many more are there in Year 4? Well done, 3 more. Which year group has the most children? So Year 4 is 18, add 1, add 10, add 0. So 18, 28, 29. Year 5 is 17, add 3, add 7, add 1. 17 add 3 is 20, so 27, 28. So which year group has the most? Excellent, it's Year 4. Did you get the same answers as me this time? Well done. So, did they sell more ice creams on Saturday and Sunday than they did in the whole of the rest of the week? So, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. If we add all of those together, we have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 19, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 76. So on Saturday and Sunday we had 46, add 38. 6 add 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 84. So, yes, she's right. And you can explain it by showing your working out. On Monday to Friday, they sold 76. And on Saturday and Sunday, they sold 84. Well done. I hope you got this one right too. Class 5B's survey then. Who is correct? Well, you could add up all the tallies. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 24 tallies, but does that mean there are 24 children in the class? No, it doesn't, which tells us that Rosie is correct because people could have more than one pet, and may have voted several times. I know some of you have cats and rabbits or dogs and goldfish, so you can't just count the tallies as one person. Tricky, but did you get it right? Hopefully it didn't catch you out. Well done. Now take a look back at today's target and success criteria and use the self-assessment tool to see how you've got on. Were you able to understand how tables can show different information? Could you read across the tables accurately? And were you able to answer the questions correctly by interpreting the data shown? And please don't forget to share your work with us at school. Remember, you can WhatsApp us, email us, or post it in our new school post box. Wonderful work today. Hopefully you're now feeling really confident with reading tables. Well done. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.